Many times I will recommend laser skin resurfacing to my patients, and they say, I saw 2 or 3 other doctors and they didn't recommend that. And they want to know why I think they would be good candidates for that. And I like to start off with a kind of a general concept of quantity versus quality. And what I mean by that is, if you think of a bed analogy and you have your mattress and your box springs and you have your sheet on top, well, if you stretch out the wrinkles, that's old school surgery where you're making an incision and you're just tightening the skin. But your sheet does not change in quality. It's still a cotton sheet. But if you take that same analogy and you take the cotton sheet and you flip it, then it becomes a satin sheet. So the quality of the skin improves. So with the laser, not only do we get the big wrinkles out, but we improve the quality of the skin, we improve the pigment, we deposit more collagen and elastic fibers as part of the controlled healing process. So there's many advantages of doing the laser resurfacing. And probably the most important is I'm able to avoid many incisions. When most people do lower lid surgery and upper lid surgery, they're making an incision and causing a scar. When I do it with the laser, I'm able to hide and essentially eliminate the scars. So it keeps the natural shape of your eyes as well as no scarring, and the quality of your skin looks better because you don't have that dull kind of washed out. You have fresh, plump, thicker skin. And it's also important, if you're going to have somebody doing laser skin resurfacing in a delicate area like your eyes and your face, that you go to someone that is specifically board certified in laser surgery. And what that means is I have peers that I have presented my work in front of. They've watched me do surgery. I've taken written examinations. I've taken oral examinations specifically into laser surgery and all the physics and the indications and all the safety parameters that includes. So if you're ready to consider laser surgery, come see me at Oculus.